To create account on Telegram, we need a few steps, not many. First, we go to App Store and download Telegram. And we go to Telegram, we find this page. We can change the mode, the dark mode or the white mode. We press start messaging. We choose our country. I will choose my country and we passed our number. Now we wait and we go to message and we find our code. We go to Telegram and we paste our code. We can choose our name. I will choose any name. We can also add a new photo. We press in set profile photo. We can manipulate with notification and privacy and security, and we can change our language. I will teach you that in another video. That's all for this video, and I wish you subscribe in our channel and press like button.